Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys all of the new codes on Dress to Impress. So the only working code that is new is the iconic Fatma one. Because the New Year's one, unfortunately, you cannot redeem it anymore. But I will put all of the working codes on Dress to Impress in the description box down below. And to get in VIP, you can only do this in free play. Select the fairy pose or the 28 pose. I like the fairy for the best. And then you're just going to go up here and just jump. Oh my god, it's a little bit tricky to do. So let's just redo that. Oh my god, I'm having a hard time doing this. So just jump here. Oh, not there. Like here. There we go. Oh. Dear, it's so hard to go up here, honestly. Okay, let's just stop doing the pose, and you're just gonna walk on the sides. Be careful not to fall. And you're just gonna walk here and just try to walk over the edge, because if you walk kind of like in the middle, you'll kind of like fall, and like you'll have to like do that again, which I don't want to. Again, I have VIP before you guys come at me and be like, why are you doing this? But I don't know. And then you're just gonna go here and then press E, jump, and you're in VIP. But that is pretty much it. Again, I'll put all the codes in the description box down below. As you can see, I can go through here. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!